In today's video, I'm going to show you how to align text center in Notion. Notion does not have a traditional text alignment button for normal text blocks, so the easiest workaround is to use columns. The idea is simple. You create 3 columns, leave the left and right columns empty, and place your text in the middle column. That makes the text appear centered on the page. First, open Notion and create a new page. Once the blank page opens, you should see an empty editing area where you can start adding content. Now click into the page so your text cursor is active. This is important because Notion only shows block options when you're editing inside the page. Next, type /, then type 3 columns. The / command in Notion is used to quickly insert different types of blocks and layouts. As you type, a menu should appear below the cursor with matching options. When you see the 3 columns option, click it. Notion will immediately insert a 3-column layout onto the page. You should now see 3 separate vertical spaces side by side. At this point, it helps to identify which column is which, especially if you're new to working with layouts. You can click into each column and briefly type something like left, center, and right. This is just to help you understand the structure. The middle column is the one that will hold your centered text. Now click inside the left column and remove any temporary text if you added it. Do the same for the right column. The goal is to leave those side columns empty so they create equal spacing around the middle column. Next, click inside the center column. If you don't see a text cursor, make sure you are clicking directly inside the middle column block, not between columns. This is a common beginner mistake. If needed, click the small plus button inside or near the center column and choose text. The purpose of a text block is to give you a place to type normal content inside that column. Once selected, you should see a blinking cursor in the center column. Now type your text. As soon as you start typing, your content will appear centered visually on the page because it is placed in the middle of the 3-column layout. If the text does not look centered, check 2 things. First, make sure your text is in the middle column, not the left or right one. Second, make sure the left and right columns are empty, because adding content there will change the visual balance. You can also adjust the column widths if needed by dragging the column dividers. But for most cases, the default layout works well and is the easiest option for beginners. So to quickly review, create a new page, insert a 3-column layout, leave the left and right columns empty, then type your text in the middle column. That is the simplest way to create centered-looking text in Notion. That's it. You have successfully completed the process. Your setup should now be working correctly. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.